Hi, it's Ronald here from Woodies Scrap Box, raising home vibrations. Today I'm just making a coleslaw, vegan one. Some people don't like this sort of mayonnaise, they prefer the full egg mayonnaise, but because my daughter is vegan, she chose to be vegan because she had some, as a teenager, she had some pre-cancer warnings and changed her diet and her whole life around. And she chose to be vegan, and she doesn't hammer anybody else about being or not being. Anyway, it's pretty simple. There's cabbage. Because I got guests coming, I wasn't really prepared. I made some the other day for my daughter when she arrived, and so half the bottle has already been used on the coleslaw I used the other day. And generally I like to have some sugar loaf as well as this red. Not quite sure why they call that red. Anyway, that's closer to red to me. Well, this is what I cheat with. I use that to grind it all up because I'm not all that great with a knife, and you see the chefs doing it. I'm not a samurai, and at my stage of life and with a bit of arthritic hands, I'm not going to try and even learn that. So I cheat with one of these little ones here. This one I think was made by Tupperware. It is excellent. It was given to me as a gift, and I thought, I don't know if I'd ever use that, and boy, I've given it a workout. So I can highly recommend the Tupperware little grinder. Anyway, on with this. I've taken the outer leaf off and some of the hard core. But it's all a matter of just, hello, the visitors have arrived, so I'll continue with this later. But it's just a matter of, I like these kitchen scissors, and I just snip that up like so. And each time I do a small batch, I then put it into something that can hold it. And I'll also add a little bit of celery. Some people don't like celery, so you just don't add it. Some people prefer onions. I'd go with the shallots there. I find they're fine. Give it a little bit of a boost, and some capsicum as well. Be back soon. If you use really big chunks in this, it tends to make this harder to turn. So I cut up fairly finely, but I don't need the skills to chop it all finely because the machine does it for me. It just sits on there, you hold it like that. The lighting's a bit light at the moment, a bit dark. I'll put a bit more light on the subject. It's as simple as that. I just pop it all out like that. It's a little bit of washing up to do with that, but it comes off easy if you do it straight away. I like mine fairly dry. My daughter, when she has it, she likes it fairly wet, so I'll make it dry and then she can add extra to hers. That should be enough for that lot, but I'll just leave that there and mix this. And just turn it over so it doesn't all stick on your spoons until you can get it to mix.
boxes are pretty fast on.
So that's all there is to it. It's that's my vegan slaw, and I've had mixed results from that. Some people like lots of egg in it, and of course that has no egg. So the rest of it, it's really quite a healthy meal. Thank you for watching my channel.